Okay, the body work on the Ranger, this is where I'm at right now. I still have some work to do. I welded that patch panel in there. I'm still trying to finish it off. And the other side. I don't know if I really have room to get far enough back to show this side. Kind of crowded in this garage. The lighting's not real good either. I think this might be the best I can do. And I still have this truck too. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. And I need to put a transmission in this one. The transmission's slipping. And this one, I replaced so many body panels on it, I need to repaint it. I guess that's it. As far as the Ranger goes.